Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to remove frequently used stickers on iPhone keyboard. For that, you can go to any text messages or text box, and there you can see the sticker icon at the bottom left. You can tap over there. Now there you can see all the frequently used stickers. Currently, I only have one. Now to remove it, all you need to do is go to your settings. Here you can see the option General. Tap over there. Again, there you can see the option Keyboard just below date and time. Tap over there. Now scroll down at the end, and at the bottom you can see Stickers option. Simply toggle off the button. Now if you go back and if you do the same process, and now you can see that the frequently used sticker has been removed. And this is how easily you can remove frequently used stickers on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.